I'm an overthinker. And I spend most of my time trying to make the perfect decision only to end up taking no decision at all. Man, I wish I could just switch off my overthinking brain for good, but every single time I try to control my thoughts, it only makes them louder. Then I stumbled on something so simple, honestly, I couldn't believe that it actually worked. Now my overthinking is finally gone and today I'm sharing what I found out with you. So here's the thing about overthinking. Your brain isn't actually trying to sabotage you. It's designed to keep you safe, to spot threats and prevent mistakes. That worked great when we were running from tigers, but in our modern world with a million choices, from what to eat for dinner to choosing your career path, that ancient survival mechanism goes into overdrive. It treats choosing a restaurant with the same panic as a life or death decision. It gets totally stuck trying to find that perfect outcome that actually doesn't exist. Before we dive into the solution, I'm really curious. What's one small decision you're overthinking this week? Let me know in the comments below, maybe we can help you out. So what's the game changer here? The breakthrough for me was realizing something critical. The goal isn't to find the perfect answer. The goal is to stop the debate, to break free. The cure that I discovered, which honestly transformed my decision making, is a simple two-part framework: the 5-minute rule and the 5-year question. So how does it work? It's really simple. When you feel yourself getting stuck on a decision, especially those everyday ones that consume too much mental energy, you start with the 5-year question. Just ask yourself, will this decision significantly matter in 5 years or 5 months or even 5 days? And here's the kicker: 99% of the time the answer is no. This instantly shrinks the stakes. It takes the pressure right off. Once you've clarified that it will actually not matter in the next 5 years, you apply the 5-minute rule. For these low-stake decisions, you literally give yourself a maximum of 5 minutes to make a decision. Set a real timer on your phone. Quickly collect any necessary info. Consider your options for the next precious 5 minutes. And when that timer goes off, you just decide. You pick one, commit, and you move on. No more debating, no more agonizing. But hang on, just making faster decisions isn't the whole story. If you only focus on speed, you're missing the real magic. The true secret, the thing that actually stops overthinking for good, is understanding why this whole system works. Here's the mind-blowing part. Clarity doesn't come from thinking more, it comes from doing. When you're stuck in your head, endlessly debating, all you get is more anxiety and confusion, right? But when you make a good enough decision and actually take action, even a tiny one, you immediately get real-world feedback. Think of it like this: you learn infinitely more from making the wrong choice and quickly adjusting than you will ever learn from just sitting there paralyzed, not choosing at all. This constant movement, this willingness to act and adapt, is what completely rewires your brain to trust itself again. It replaces that endless mental ping pong with tangible progress. That's the part that really liberates you from overthinking. Remember, progress comes from moving, not just thinking. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful for you.